The fifth product on this list is the Rohent R9. This is an exceptional and dependable wireless system that guarantees safe and effortless reversing for your RV, truck, camper, or trailer. You will be thrilled by its user-friendly plug-and-play design, ensuring a hassle-free installation process. In just 30 minutes for general setups or 15 minutes for Furrion pre-wired RVs, you'll be ready to roll. Experience the ultimate clarity with the 7-inch touch key DVR monitor, delivering precise and high-definition 1080p images during the day and crystal clear night vision for optimal safety in low-light conditions. The IP69 waterproof camera with its wide-angle view effectively minimizes blind spots, giving you a comprehensive view of your surroundings. Not only does its wireless backup camera system boast a substantial signal transmission range of up to 320 feet, but it also ensures seamless video transmission from the trailer camera to the monitor with no lag time or signal loss. Furthermore, the system supports up to 4 cameras, allowing for flexible configurations to meet your specific needs. The package includes a Furrion adapter, bracket, and pigtail wire, making it compatible with Furrion or Voyager pre-wired vehicles. Rest easy with the peace of mind provided by the 3-year warranty, a testament to the Rohent RV backup camera's long-term durability and reliable performance. And should you encounter any issues, fear not. Their dedicated customer support team is always ready to promptly address any concerns you may have. Get ready to elevate your RV experience with this top-notch backup camera system. Its pros are: it has a plug-and-play design that makes setup quick and straightforward. It has crystal clear image and excellent night vision for improved visibility in various lighting conditions, and it has multiple camera support that it can accommodate up to 4 cameras. However, the buttons on the monitor itself barely highlight on the menu screen, which can be an issue especially in bright areas. The Rohent R9 is an excellent choice for RV owners seeking a reliable and high-quality rear-view camera system.